Hey everyone, it's Clay Rammage and I'm back with another video, and this time it's going to be a totally different video. I'm actually going to give you a home tour of our condo here in Minnetonka, Minnesota. So I hope you enjoy. All right, we're actually going to start here in our sunroom, which overlooks the west, and we also use it as our dining room. We have a dining room table out here. It's just great to sit out here and eat with nature surrounding you. And these are 4 patio doors, sliders that open up. So in the summertime, it can be almost like you're outside. The one thing we don't have here is a balcony, but we have a wonderful view from here. And yeah, especially on sunny days. Today it's a cloudy day, but it's beautiful. This is my wife's tower garden. It's an indoor garden. So we have fresh vegetables all winter long. Mostly we do herbs and lettuces like Swiss chard and stuff like that. We have grown tomatoes and peppers and other things like that in it, but and she sells those. So if anyone's interested, contact me. We can get you information. And that doorway leads to our furnace room. So little sitting area with a book, and this, oh, I should show you this wall. This is Cindy's uncle is a wildlife artist. He studied with Les Kuba. His name's Dick Schiebel. And this is just some of his artwork that we have out here. And now we're going into our living room. We have a wood-burning fireplace. And then these chairs, or I actually designed these chairs. I won a furniture design contest, and they ended up, the factory produced them and marketed them. And it was right during 2008 when the crash happened. So nothing really took off, but these are 2 that I reupholstered, and now they decorate our living room. We have another great view. This condo has huge windows, so another great view out this window. And there's my baby, the Parlor Grand. It's a Kimball piano made in 1900. It's 6 foot 4 inches long, and this was the style I looked for a long time for, because I really wanted those little ice cream legs, as they're called. They look like an ice cream cone, and there's part of some of the music that I have. And then as we turn around, this is actually our sitting area of our living room with the TV, the chairs, and all that kind of stuff, and our recliners, which are heated and electrically reclining. There's a puzzle that Cindy and I did to keep busy during our home stays. This is my office where all of my business and videos take place. So again, huge windows. My desk where I do majority of the work. These are the shelves you see behind my videos. This first one is the eBay listings. The middle one is miscellaneous stuff. And then the last one is my personal books. And I'm a big Dean Koontz fan, so that top shelf is all just his books. And then my Bible and spiritual books all along there, music books on the bottom. 2 shelves of music books, actually, so it's a lot. This is a chair that I first did for upholstery 30-some years ago. But about 10 years ago, I reupholstered it, and I quilted all this fabric, and made it my quilt chair, as I call it now. So it was a fun project, a lot of work, but it now graces my office. There's a lot more books in the bookcase. These are mostly Bibles and spiritual books over here. This is my art wall, which some of these are listed for sale. Some are personal, like these 2 were painted by my grandmother. These are the old paint by numbers. So sometimes in the 1970s, she painted these 2, so those have some great sentimental value. I got those from my mom last year. These over here, the lower one is for sale and listed on eBay. This one was my great-great-grandparents' homestead in Nebraska. So I don't know exactly when that picture was taken, but probably the late 1800s. So, and that closet is where all my unlisted stuff is stored, in my shipping supplies and all that kind of stuff. And yeah, so it's just a busy office. Then we come in here, and this is our kitchen, which when we bought the condo, these cabinets are what they call a champagne color, which was big in the 90s. And everything was white. The appliances were all white. The floor was champagne color, and the ceiling was the old fluorescent frosted panels. So we changed the ceiling to LED lights, put in the coffered, or changed the panels to be the recessed panels. And then we got the black slate appliances, put up the black backsplash in the blacks and gray pattern, and installed the tile floor, again in a black marble. And what that did is it toned down the pinkness of the champagne color cabinets. Because originally we talked about painting them, you know, and doing all sorts of things, but this was the quicker, easier route because we needed to get moved in fairly quickly. And so we went quick, easy, and we actually really like it. You don't notice the champagne color in the cabinets anymore. They just look like a wood tone. So there are ways to tone down those things, even though they might seem outdated. You can use other colors to help tone down some of those things without a lot of work. This is our entryway. This is our guest bath. And in here is our master bedroom. So this is we went with the Hollywood Regency style somewhat through the place, but much more contemporary and modern. Our old house was very eclectic. So it's very comfortable. It's a very large bedroom as well. This is our master bathroom. Again, 90s gold tone, but it's making a comeback in the style. And there I am in the mirrors. Hi, lots of mirrors in this bathroom, double sinks. Again, a huge window in the bathroom with a big soaking tub. And behind that door is the toilet, and this one is the shower. And that back there's my wife's office. This is our master closet, which is one of the things we fell in love with. It's huge, lots of stuff. I actually have my surplus eBay stuff. I shouldn't say surplus, it's the holiday stuff, like the Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas items that I don't want to list yet are all stored in here and up there. Also has the washer and dryer, which is awesome. And one of my favorite features, since I do all the ironing, is this built-in ironing board, which is awesome. Then one more thing I will show you as we walk around here is this chair is the one that I originally designed. This is the prototype for the furniture design contest that I won back in 2007. And this was on display down in Las Vegas at the, I forget what they call it now. It's their big furniture display room areas that they have down there. So the contest was basically, it's a furniture show, and they had all the people that attended the show vote on 3 different designers' chairs, and I happened to win, so which was really awesome. Great experience. So that's the prototype, which is different than the ones in the living room, not just the upholstery, but also the dimensions are different. I changed it for the production model. This is just some artwork that we found while out thrifting. These are original pieces of artwork. And so yeah, so that's a quick tour of our little home, and hope you enjoyed, and we will catch you at a later date. Thanks, bye.